All right, here we are. This is going to be day number 5. I'm only going to spend a little bit. I got to leave here shortly. Let's see what happens. Why not? Let's get that music on. There we go. All right. Let's do a little bit of each. Why not? Pull that up. Can I move this? I guess not. This is like the most confusing interface in the world, by the way. I'm not even talking about the keyboard. I'm talking about this damn website from CharaChorder. All right, let's see. V. This is a... Okay. Oh, shit. Fuck. God. You gotta be one with the CharaChorder. Do you understand? Alright. I'm getting the same letters over and over again, aren't I? This is custom alphabet up there. Is this all the letters? I'm getting this. Whoops. Doesn't matter. I can't even do the letters. I can. Maybe I choose not to. You suppose? Shit. See, it's nice because for the most part, I'm not looking. I had to look at the first part, or the first letter, whatever that was. V, I think. Shit. Y. Shy. W. Oh. Oh. See, I wish it wouldn't, go over the letter because I thought it was an X there because I went on to the next. Oh well, what can you do other than cry about it and be regretful? Nope, wrong one. There we go. U-R-I-A-Q-M-W-R A-M-I... Ay. So what I need to do is go slower. Be intentional about it. Fuck! Alright, maybe next time. Whoops. Shit, wrong one. I just look like I'm mashing random letters now. I'm sorry, guys. To all my fans out there, which would be my wife, sorry about that. Ay, Alex. Obviously, I know what letters I need to work on, that's for sure. Sweet. How about that? Wow. 95% accuracy, that surprises me. Okay. B, D, and K were the bottom, that makes sense to me. The ones that I've been using all along, I know those. Well, I know them well enough. Sweet. Let's move on. So these aren't doing. I'm not doing chords, FYI. Not that anybody cares. I'm telling you right now, I'm not doing chords yet. Am I? Oh. Oops. But maybe I should practice chords. That's the whole point of this, But I wanted to get good enough at actually being able to, use the keyboard for character entry, as they say. Hmm. Sounds a little like porn music. Or at least it's music I play during. Maybe that's just me, though. H-E, okay. Why am I only having... Oh, it's because I did that. That's my fault. Like, why do I only have a few words here? I was trying to practice chording and I realized I just need to get better at doing the letters. And in the process, I got rid of all of the other words that were part of their little training set. So I need to add those back. Oops. Was that a chord? Is that why that happened? There's a question of the day. Alright. Alright, yeah, this is what I was expecting. Whatever this EN40. Okay. What are the other ones that have? These are just... What's the difference between dexterity and celerity? I don't know. There's a question. See, and this keeps glitching for me. Every time I go to it, notice it has the top bar repeated 3 times. Is that a svelte issue? Say I refresh and it goes away. And we'll start this right back up. Okay. Maybe that's a svelte issue. Or every time I go from test to train. Well, not every time, apparently. Alright. I think this is meant probably for chording. Because I see these like evening after. I'll bet that's a chord I can work on. Let's just do some more of this. Why not? Alphabet programmer. That's cool. Custom. What about novice? What's the difference between novice and... Okay, so I don't know any of the numbers. I'm going to leave those out. Letters 1. Letters 2. That's interesting. Wow, I wish I knew about those when I was learning how to get around on this thing. Oops, whoops, whoops. Ooh, 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 ooh. Z is, okay. I had to look at that one even though I just did it earlier. For the most part, I'm able to do all the letters now without looking. That's kind of cool. For the amount of time I've spent on this, that's very cool for me. Internally, I feel good. What else is there to say? Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Did the same mistake twice on that one. Can you ever forgive me? Don't fuck it up. Ah! Oh well. What can you do? I got the J right that time. That's all that really matters. At least I learned from some of my mistakes. And it's interesting how sometimes you get... I know where these letters are, apparently. But then just sometimes you second guess yourself and you, ooh, do the wrong thing. Even though you just did it right. Okay. Let's see. Hey, that time I did a lot better. What was the completion time last time? I don't know. 80 was my best streak. Wow, that feels pretty good. And these are completely different letters. A. I'm surprised by that for the A. Words per minute, though. Like, what does that mean? It's just a character. Is this characters per minute? Or do they, like, aggregate this? I don't know. Is there, like, an average word length that they go by? Good question. Great practice. I'll do more later. This isn't a real video. This isn't a real channel. But I love you all. Goodbye.